Only the breath within the nose bridge. When the mind is silent, the third eye activity will begin. Then automatically your attention is on the third eye activity. Attending to the breath is called anapanasati. Attending to the third eye is called vipassana. Attending to the body energy movements is called as kayanupassana. Anapanasati is the starting point. Then you go to kayanupassana. You attend to the body energy movements in the body. And finally, in the vipassana, third eye activity. There are three words. Anapanasati, kayanupassana, vipassana. When third eye activity begins, then...
Hi Masters, Patriji Vegetarian ಚಾನಲ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.